Good morning.
Like,
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon or morning, wherever this may be. I hope everyone's having a blessed day. I am blessed. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen on the weekend, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend. So I'm coming to you with my scripture this morning. I'm taking it from Proverbs 2 and 6. For the Lord gives wisdom, out of his mouth come knowledge. Proverbs 2 and 6. The Lord will bless his people with peace. Psalms 29 and 11. So, hello everyone. I am back with an amazing thing that I will be producing today. I'm getting ready to do another thing of dressing that I had a taste for dressing this morning. So it might be a little different because some of the things that I usually put in I don't have. So, but I have made it this way also. So okay, so I'm starting. I've already fixed my cornbread. I've already made it. Mash up quite a bit. I can do it better with my hands than I can with the masher. I know what it was. Once I get it crumbed up real good, and I start putting my ingredients in it.
she'll be back.
Okay, I have a couple of slices of bread that I'm putting in. Normally I toast them, but today I'm just going to put them in. You can do it this anyway, which I always put a little bit of bread. Okay. I'm up now, so I'm going to start putting in my broth. And this is the broth that I have cooked with chicken legs and chicken legs and chicken breast. I have everything in it. So all I'm trying to do is just get it wet a little bit. Now I'm going to be pouring my ingredients in. Some onion powder.
That's garlic powder, y'all.
Okay. That was the garlic powder. Like pepper.
And as we tell y'all all the time, please feel free to put your own seasoning in here. And please don't come from Miss Lena, because she didn't put sage and poultry seasoning in the dressing. If you don't, I mean, she can't digest it. Make her have acid reflux real bad. So please don't have ugly comments at the bottom. We would truly appreciate it. If you want to add your sage, you can. Your sage and poultry seasoning.
Okay, now I'm going to get my, I've sauteed my bell peppers and everything. I'm going to pull them in. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put in my soups that I'm putting in. This is cream of celery. And my mushroom. Okay. And my chicken. That big piece of celery right now.
Yeah, the recipe will be in the description box. Okay, y'all, she put 6 cups of broth in there so far.
Okay, I'm putting some of the pieces of chicken in here, and I'm going to leave a few pieces to make in my gravy. And this is chicken leg and drumsticks or whatever you want to say. And what's left, I'm going to use it for my gravy. pan. Okay, guys, I'm putting just a little bit of broth on the top. For about the pan is so small until it's quite a bit, so I'm going to put in there for about an hour, 350.
We'll be back, y'all. Bye.
Well, everybody, I'm back with my final presentation of my dressing that I have for today. Okay, this is my dressing. I took it out of the oven. I told you it would be about 1 hour, but it took about a little bit more than an hour because it's so thick in here. So I'm just getting it out. So I'm going to show you. I don't know where to start. I want to show you that it's still very moist and everything. It's not dry or anything. It's very moist. So I made just a little bit of gravy to go over it with the little bit that I had left. So I'm going to do a little taste test for you. And I know it's good because my dressing is always delicious, if I say it for myself.
Yes, it is. Always.
There are a few things that I usually put in that I didn't have, but that doesn't stop it from being good. And you see all my chicken. I just poured it off in there. So what you see in here is what I have. It's very, very hot. Just come out of the oven. Let me take a picture. Every time I make it get better. It is so good, you guys. I mean, it is delicious.
It's real good, y'all.
Lord have mercy. The Lord gave me mercy on this one here. Because there were some things that I used to put in I didn't have. But you sure can't tell it. It tastes just as good.
Y'all, again, as we say, if you want sage and poultry seasoning, please feel free to put it in. She just can't eat it.
Everything. It is totally delicious, you all. And I hope you will like the video. Try it. You will love it. And I think maybe this might be 9 or 10 versions of dressing that I have up. But it was cool here today, so I decided been wanting some for a while. Too hot. So today was a nice, cool day, and I said, I'm going to make me some dressing. And I didn't have everything that I would love to made it out of, but, ooh, it's still totally delicious. It's still off the chain, no matter what. Everything I make when it comes to dressing is really wonderful for me. And I hope you all will enjoy this video. And I thank you so much for watching. Thank all the people, all my subscribers, and everybody. And I didn't even have a whole chicken. I just had chicken pieces of drumstick, and I just cut it up in there and boiled it and made my broth. And the broth was delicious. Please believe me. So y'all, please try it. It's very good. This is something that if you don't have everything, use what you have, and it will still come out.
Yeah, this is so good.
But like she said, if whatever you all use, your sage or poultry season or whatever you use, I don't use it. It against my health, and I don't use it. But you can put in whatever you would like. May God bless you and have a blessed day. From Miss Lena's Kitchen, another version of her dressing. Thank you so much. Have a real blessed day. Goodbye until the next video with all my love. Goodbye.